Alright, my friends, so this is going to be your video number 2 for writing for week 3. Remember, we're working on an informational writing where you are going to explain some of the benefits for kids who attend camp during the summer. So we went over the first article together, and I kind of highlighted some of the benefits it mentioned in that one. So I'm going to do something similar for this article, and then we'll quickly go over your graphic organizer, and we'll be good to go. All right, so this one is called Summer Camp, Stay or Go Away. When we think of summer camps, we usually think of sitting around a campfire, singing songs, and roasting marshmallows. Today, the camp experience can be much more than that. Parents have many choices open to them and their children. Some parents want camp to be more like school. They want their children to get better at math or reading, with some fun sprinkled in. Other parents look for camps that focus on playing musical instruments or getting better at a sport. That means sleepaway camps have to offer more than campfire songs. And today, most do. Parents can find almost the same offerings at both day and sleepaway day camps. So which one is better? Day camps. Parents often choose to send their kids to a camp close to home. For one thing, day camps cost a lot less money than sleepaway camps. They often last the whole summer long. Different activities are rotated through 2 or 3 week cycles. Parents drop off their children in the morning. Then they pick them up at the end of each day. Filled with fun and fresh air. A lot of children don't like being away from home. Going to a day camp is perfect for them. For sleepaway camps, not all camps are day camps. There are thousands of sleepaway camps too. These camps also offer a wide range of activities. They include hiking, horseback riding, tennis, kayaking, whitewater rafting, and much more. Some even focus on things like drama or music, but none of these activities include electronic devices. Camp is that unique opportunity to become unplugged and to interact with nature and peers and role models on a deeper level. And there are fewer and fewer of those opportunities available for kids. Peg Smith said that she is the CEO of the American Camp Association. Okay, this article was a little bit different. It gave us benefits and information about 2 types of camps, day camps and sleepaway camps. Okay, so you can use some of the information about both of these types of camps to talk about benefits for students or for children who go to camps. You could mention that day camps, they cost a lot less money than sleepaway camps. They often last the whole summer. Okay? You can have different activities. Parents drop off their children in the morning and they can pick them up at the end of each day. So one benefit for this type of camp for students would be that they don't have to be away from home. Going to a day camp would be perfect for those people who don't like sleeping away from their house. Okay? Then we talked about sleepaway camps down here. These camps also offer a wide range of activities. These are all activities that those sleepaway camps can offer, right? They offer things like drama or music, and they have no electronic devices, but none of these activities involve electronic devices, okay? Let's take a look. That gives you some good information over here as well. These are some facts about camps. There are more than 14,000 summer camps in the U.S. More than 11 million children go to summer camps every year. The average cost of a sleepaway camp is $625 a week. Woo! Many camps provide community cleanups, food drives, and recycling programs. Okay? So let's take a look. We got some information from that one. There was a little bit more detailed information in the other article, but you can still use information from both of these. So let's take a look. when you're drafting this out, you need to think about what are the benefits of kids attending camp. So that might be something that you need to write out on the back or on a different sheet of paper. Maybe not, list 3 things. You could write 1, 2, 3. Since you have 3 paragraphs, what are 3 benefits of kids going to camp? Oops. Maybe start there before you start trying to write, a thesis statement or anything like that. Write out, what are your 3 benefits? Maybe they get to make new friends, you can try new activities, they can work on leadership skills. Those could all be some of the benefits that you identify, okay? Once you do that, we need to work on your introduction here. Remember your hook, it can be, how you get your reader interested. Okay? So remember, a hook is how you're going to get your reader interested. You could ask a question. You could give a fact. This article gave all of these facts you could use as a hook. I would either stick with a fact or a question, would probably be the easiest way. You could say, have you ever gone to a summer camp? Have you ever wanted to go to summer camp? Have you ever thought of the benefits of summer camp? How would you feel about going to a summer camp? Or you could even use a question and a fact together. Did you know that there are more than 14,000 summer camps in the U.S.? I used one of the facts here, and I made it into a question. Something like that that's going to get your reader interested in what you're writing about. Okay? So for this, you would need at least 2 sentences for your introduction. Okay? You need a hook and you need a thesis statement. A thesis statement is you're writing about whatever it is you're writing about. You're explaining your topic. This informational writing will give you some benefits of kids who attend camp during the summer. So a thesis statement is very similar to a topic statement, topic sentence. You're going to tell your reader what everything is that you're writing about. You could even say, some of the benefits for kids going to camp are, and then list the 3 that you came up with on your other paper. That would be a way to do your thesis statement. But you're going to give your topic here. Give your topic in a nice, complete sentence. Okay? So you can use a question or a fact. And here you need to give your topic in a complete sentence. That's what you need to do for your introduction paragraph. Then for your body paragraphs, I want you to maybe use some bullet points. And at least give me 3 sentences per body paragraph. Okay? So your first sentence, you need to tell what is one of the benefits that you came up with. What was one of the things that we highlighted that you could write 2 to 3 sentences about. Okay? So you need a benefit, and then a detail about that benefit, and another detail. Same thing for all of these. Benefit, detail, detail. Same thing for your last one. You need the benefit, and then a detail about that benefit. Oopsie. And a detail. These should not be benefits or details that you're making up. Use your articles. In Article 1, it says that camps allow for kids to make new friends. That could be the first sentence of your body paragraph, and then give more details about it. Look back at what we highlighted. Can you come up with a couple more sentences from either passage that will support that benefit? Okay? Your conclusion, you need to restate your topic and then give a closing sentence. Okay? Just take this in little chunks. You don't need to sit and try to bang out a whole thing all day. Maybe after you read the articles, maybe flip your paper over and write out your 3 benefits and then be finished with it for the day. Let that be it. Okay? Then the next day you can work on doing your hook and giving a nice topic sentence. Okay? And the next day you can work on a little bit more of those details. And then maybe Friday you can finish out and do your closing. Don't stress and try to write an entire paper in one day. Take it in little tiny bits, okay? Read your articles, listen to the videos if you need to, then write out your 3 benefits. They don't need to be complete sentences. Just put making friends, less technology, new activities, or whatever it is that you are identifying, okay? Anything like that, just take it in little tiny pieces. That will help you out and help you to not be stressed, okay? Refer back to these videos as much as you need. Message me if you need some more support. I'd be happy to make another video or do a Zoom call with you and kind of go over it with you. I'd be happy to do that. Just take your time and do your best, my friends, and we miss you and hope to see you soon.